I have pink hair. And if you want to have pink hair, watch this video and I'll tell you how.
I know I'm gonna be with you, so I take my time. Are you ready for it?
I'm doing it. I'm about to make my hair pink. My roots are so grown out right now. And I just thought that it could maybe be fun. Why not? New year, new hair. Okay, so I just showered and now I'm going to use the Kristin S Rose Gold Temporary Tint. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why. I'm just being a baby. Basically, all it says to do is shampoo your hair and then towel dry it and then spray this on top of it. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna brush it out so that it's kind of easier to apply. Also gonna take my rings off because I don't know how temporary this is. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna section my hair off just so that I can make sure I disperse the product evenly throughout my whole head. I'll probably do it in 3 sections. So we'll do a bottom section, and then a middle section, and then a top section. Here we go. After I do this, I'm gonna wait 1 to 2 minutes depending on how dark I want it, how light I want it. I might let it sit on a little longer, like 2-minute range, and then wash it. Cause I don't wanna be like super pink, but I don't wanna be like too subtle. So we'll see. I think I'm gonna take smaller sections and then just spray those and then kind of rub it in. Here goes nothing. I'm scared. It didn't go. When you kind of scrub it into the hair, it gets a little soapy, and I think that definitely helps. This is messy, if I'm gonna be honest. I also wore a shirt that I don't care about, so make sure you put a shirt on that you don't mind getting dirty, and pants as well now. I mean, not the easiest self-application, if I'm being completely honest. Like, I wish I would have called a friend. So I'm gonna let this sit for a couple minutes now. Maybe do a little upward spray. I'm gonna go wash this now. I'm a little pink here and on my chest. Let's see my hair. I haven't looked yet since I showered. Oh, she pink. Well, that stuff works, you guys. Bad news. It will dye your skin. It just takes a second to develop. Looks like I'll be wearing turtlenecks and hella makeup. Next time you see me, I will probably be done up because I just need to figure this shit out. Bye. I am a bubblegum princess. Pleasantly surprised. I was really nervous at first and I was able to cover everything up. These lighter pieces are actually extensions that I did with the leftovers, and I ran out, so my ends are a little bit lighter, but I have pink hair. like it. I think it's fun. And it's only temporary, thank God. If I have any tips to give you on using the Kristin S temporary tint, it would be to do it in a place that you don't mind getting a little dirty at first. It cleans up really, really easily, but it definitely makes a mess. I suggest when you do spray it in, you massage it into your hair. You don't just like spray it on top, and because then I think it gets a little splotchy. So if you massage it in, it seems to turn out a little bit better. I don't recommend leaving it on for any longer than like 2 to 3 minutes. That's what I did, and I think it's like the perfect amount. If you're thinking about doing it, I say go for it. It's gonna wash out, so whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it's helpful to anybody wanting to use this product. I think I might do an update like on my Instagram about how long it takes for it to come out of my hair, because I truly haven't seen any videos of that, and I think that's pretty helpful for people to know. So if you want to hear more about how long it's going to take to come out, just be sure to follow me on Instagram so you can see that. I think that's all I have to share. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to give you this time right now as you're listening to me to look down below here and press the subscribe button, because it would mean a lot to me. Like this, comment on it, let me know if you've ever used it before. And as always, feel free to DM me with any questions or if you just want to chat, because I love to chat. Bye guys, love you.